It might warm up a little bit towards the end of the week, but for the immediate future, the air's coming in from the north, and the last few hours, last 12 hours, that line of cloud there has gone south, brought colder air with it. So temperatures for southern England, which were yesterday in the middle 20s, are now in the middle teens. That's a big change, but for some, actually, it's a rather nice day. I mean, for much of the North Midlands and Northern England, apart from the odd shower in Yorkshire and Cumbria, it's been sunshine from the word go. And then it's about 13 or 14 degrees, which is above the April average. Many showers this morning in Scotland, very few this afternoon. They were of hail, they're now of rain scattered around the Northwest Highlands. They're leaving Northern Ireland, so both countries a fine afternoon. Now, for much of Wales and the rest of England, the skies aren't pure blue. If you look up, you'll see wispy cloud, that's ice cloud cirrus, and it just stops the sun being quite as strong. So we're left at 16 or 17 degrees. Oh, what a shame, rather than 26 degrees. I think we can live with that. Now, the nights are still quite long, so you do get the option overnight with little cloud of getting very cold. There'll be a bit of frost tonight, just dropping in the glens of Scotland, Cumbria area, maybe even in Wales and Northern Ireland. The sun will soon see to it tomorrow morning, but it's there for a few hours overnight. So a much colder night for almost all of us than of recent times. And tomorrow's weather will be a little different too. For many, you'll think it's another improvement, and we're on the way up in temperature. We are a little bit. For example, for East Anglia, little cloud. For South East England, virtually no cloud. We start at 5 to 8 degrees. The breeze is very light, but the sun is out. Now, that's not entirely true for Scotland, with the breeze here bringing in a gentle westerly drizzle that'll stick there all day. The Western Highlands are not the place to enjoy spring, not on Wednesday. For Northern Ireland, I think a cloudy-ish start at 6 degrees, so variable amounts of sunshine. But for England and Wales, the skies seem like to be rather bluer than is the case today. And with strong spring sunshine, even starting at 5, 6 or 7 degrees, you can probably lift that another 10, which I think is fairly promising. So Wednesday most definitely divides the northern third of the UK from the southern third, and this is where the warmth from the sun will show through. Unfortunately for Scotland, unless you're in Aberdeenshire, Fife, or maybe the borders, you probably won't see much sunshine. You may well see this persistent drizzle or rain in the Western Highlands, and we'll get the temperatures showing that. 10 to 13 typically in the west of Scotland, 16 to 18 in much of England and Wales. On Thursday, the air in Scotland is still cloudy, and it's colder. Maybe single figures just about. But for London, we're back up to around about 20.